Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex Tech Support, and today I'll show you how to link the Threads app to your Instagram account. So this is the icon of Threads app. Let's go into the App Store or either Play Store if you have an Android, and you will have to search for Threads, an Instagram app. And this should be the icon, keep in mind, with an A. You can download normally from here, and let's open the app. I will just press on login with Instagram. My Instagram is already there, and I will just have to select my account down at the bottom because this is the first time I downloaded the app and I didn't link my account. So when you normally open the app for the first time, this is the menu that pops up, and you should see your Instagram account down at the bottom. And if you press on that, you will link automatically your Instagram account to the Threads app. And you have to keep in mind that this is the way that Meta created the app. They wanted from the beginning to link the Threads app to your Instagram account. Or if you want to switch an account, I'll press on switch accounts and I can press on login with a different Instagram account down at the bottom, and you will just have to sign in as normally, and they will link your username and profile picture with your Threads app. I really hope this tutorial helped you out to link the Threads app to your Instagram account. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash the like button and of course leave any question down below in the comment section. Have a great day.